What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we have another one of Pepe's best friends, right? One of his roommates that we have to bring to the table. Again, we're always looking for gems, we're looking for opportunities. And while we missed a lot of these ones that are out here, and I'm not saying we fully missed them, like we are part of them in a way, it's just not a massive part of it because we didn't catch it in the beginning. We would have had to invest a lot of money into it, which honestly still would have benefited if we would have seen that level of success like some other people did see, right? But when we talk about what we talked about earlier today, when we talked about Pepe and Land Wolf and Brett and all of those, as we mentioned those in previous videos and previous situations, you understand the growth potential of them. So I want to talk about Andy on base. So if you guys could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out all the links for Andy on base, I will provide all of that down below at the top of the description. But if we go into the website, Andy, Pepe's mischievous roommate, has arrived on base, ready to make waves. So what is this, right? Who is Andy? Alongside or along with best friends Pepe, Brett, and Land Wolf, Andy's iconic character features Matt Fury's now classic Boys Club comic book series. Andy is a lovable weirdo that spends his days enjoying drug-fueled hedonism and impish mischief. I don't know what those words mean, but mischief. Always pranking, always laughing. He's one of the boys. So Wolf on Avalanche passed $45 million market cap. Brett on base past $700 million market cap. Pepe on Ethereum passed $4.5 billion market cap. Where will based Andy go? And that's honestly, we don't truly know. You know where it is right now. Well, I can show you where it is right now, but you don't know where it will truly go at the height of where it is. Now, how to buy Andy? You would install a MetaMask. You would add base network to MetaMask, add Ethereum to your wallet, swap Ethereum for Andy, display Andy in your wallet, right? Or buying using Coinbase Wallet, install Coinbase Wallet, add ETH to your wallet, swap ETH for Andy. So it's much simpler doing it on Coinbase Wallet, but you could do it on SushiSwap as well. Let's go into the Andynomics. 86% added to liquidity, 10% for marketing, 2% for the team, 2% for Matt Fury donations. Feels good, man. Liquidity is burnt. You also have a 0 to 0 tax, as well as the contract being renounced. So a lot of security, a lot of pieces in place that people really like. Obviously, I always like when you have some sort of a tax because it's great when you can see money that's flowing back into the project, but also there's people that like when you don't have a tax at all, right? They like the cheaper fees. They like basically getting it for the hype that it has and not, building because of the marketing that they're doing. More about the marketing, the everyday marketing, the word of mouth marketing that happens with it. So I understand where that comes from. Now, let's go into the chart, right? Because the chart tells you a lot. I'm going to go into Dex Tools really quick. So it is currently standing at a $13.39 million market cap with $471,000 worth of liquidity. You have the 1 billion coin supply with actually, which is very exciting, 21.1 thousand holders within the position, meaning that it has a lot of strength, meaning that it will have the ability to hold at some of these places by having that much in that many people that are holding, right? That's definitely top tier for being on base. I know base is getting a lot of hype right now. Base is getting a lot of attention. It doesn't really have a crazy amount of volume like say Solana does, but it's getting up there, right? You see Brett and what has happened there and how much traction, how much popularity has happened with that. There's a lot of different projects that are launching on base that are going to be kind of pushed up into that next level for this chain. But you're seeing again a $14 million market cap with $725,000 worth of volume, and you have the $1 billion in circulating supply. The volume to market cap ratio is 5%. If we go into how this has performed overall history, you can see that this really has started when it was on CoinMarketCap at a level of seemed like it was less than 1 cent, and it got all the way up to about 3 cents, giving yourself over a 300% return there. And even where it stands, you know, you're looking at this increase quite a bit from less than 1 cent up to 1.3 cents, but it has a lot more potential, a lot more of a future, especially with you seeing 21,000 holders, 21.1, almost 21.2 thousand holders within this project. Again, that's something that doesn't go unnoticed by me because that's a lot of popularity, that's a lot of traction, that's the ability to hold long term. If we go into the Twitter account to show you where Andy stands, it stands at about 3.8 thousand followers, which again, they're growing in popularity. Base is becoming more and more popular over time. So what do I think about Andy when I see the chart, when I see the conversation, when I see the website and everything that it has to offer? Well, I like memes, right? Memes are great for the short term and can also be great for the long term, but usually they're great for whatever this bull cycle actually is, especially if it's something maybe that only lives for a shortened period of time, like the meme only lives for a shortened period of time. But you can see that it could have some sort of longevity. So whatever this could be, what will it be? That's the honest question. It's like, what will Andy be? Will Andy be worth $100 million? Will it be worth $700 million? Will it be worth $1 billion? And honestly, we don't truly know. The only thing that we can say that we do know is as we go into CoinMarketCap overall and we go into memes, we understand the meme coin market is worth $55.2 billion. $55.2 billion as of the time of recording this video. I believe that we're going to see the meme coin market worth upwards of $500 billion, right? Seeing things like Dogecoin leading the way at 100 plus billion, Shiba Inu at 100 plus billion, seeing Pepe and Floki and all of these projects. So we're also going to see things like Brett, like Pepe, like Landwolf, and like Andy that could be pushing up to be worth maybe even single digit billions, which would be phenomenal, especially for things that are really just getting the base chain started in getting its popularity up there. Does that make sense? So I want to know what you guys think about this project. Have you taken a look at it? Has it crossed your desk? I'm sure it has. But I want to know your opinions on it. Feel free to check out those links down below. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.